Okay, so today I'm trying to show you that everybody is sending me a message that how can we use a mockup. Okay, it's pretty easy that you can see lots of mockup files, text effect or maybe any other mockups files. You can try to download on Google. So this is pretty easy. Just try to go to your Google and you can write down download free text effect, or you can just write mockup. Okay, so you can see there is million of mockups file available on Google, but there is some file paid file and some of these file like free. So you can just try on it on free files, but I can give you this paid file on free. Okay, so how can you download this file? I will give you my website link so you can visit there. You can download its editable files. Okay, you can create any names there. It's pretty easy. So let's try that. How can we create a mockup? Okay, uh, sorry for the slow internet connection. Okay, so you can see in the prepack there is a website prepack, and you can see lots of beautiful modern names effects. Okay, how can we do that? This is pretty easy. Just one click, you can edit your name. So I just received only 3-4 emails from the guy from Brazil, and he just asked me every single time that you can make a video. That how can I make a mockup? So there is many videos available on YouTube channel, but let me try to create one simple video for you. Okay, so this is, you can see on the screen, these are the mockup file that I have already downloaded in my computer. Okay, so you can download any mockup files from Google. Just bring the files here in the Photoshop CC. Okay, just wait for it. It may take a time, and I have some issues in my graphics card, so it's take a too much time, like loading some time. Did you see the corner? Yeah, this one, your design, and just double click on it, the corner. Did you see the square circle, the square? Yeah, once you double click on it, just wait for it, you can see this is the sample fonts here, you will see. So now we need to replace the name here. Okay, select, remove this name, and you can put anything here. Okay, for example, you can put any logos here. Okay, it will be changed to the same samples as before, we can see here in the mockup. So let's try. I can write Amjad. Okay, that's my real name. So let's try. Once you accept, just close and click yes button. Wait for it. Okay, I'm really sorry because I have some issues in my graphics card, so my computer is taking a bit time. Okay, so I can forward the video. Okay, it's taking too much time in my computer, but it will take few time because we need a good graphics card. Okay, so no, you will see now it's become Amjad. It's pretty easy. Just click on these small square, and you will see there is more options available. Okay, now if you want to change something here in this mockup, okay, in this 3D effects name, so you can see there is so many options file available, the 3D files. Okay, effect, you can see, click on click, you can change the background, you can change the red light. Okay, you can change everything here in this room. Okay, as you can see, I just show you some example. You can change the layers. Okay, so this is pretty easy. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, so for this mockup, if you need it, so you can text me on my WhatsApp for surely. I will give you my favorite and my private website link, so you can download many of free mockups which is available on the Google, but it's paid file. You need to pay for it, and I will give you free of cost. Okay, for sure. So this is the video that I just created for you guys. How can we create a mockup files? This is pretty easy. Okay, and this is just a short video. I hope so that I can create another video in this tutorial, inshallah, very soon. Okay, so follow us for download new free mockup every day. I write this because maybe I will give you the link in the description to visit my YouTube channel, sorry, to my website and my WhatsApp number. Okay, So you can click on it, inshallah.